Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making some slime. Got it? Good. First thing you need, some borax powder. A tablespoon and some normal spoon. Also, you need, let me go get it, 2 cups. 1 cup has to be just a normal small cup. And this cup is going to be the one, I'm going to try to fill it up. Should I get a bigger one? These two things are the same thing. One is higher, and this one's a bit wider, so it's basically the same thing. This is one of the biggest bowls I could use. I'm just gonna use this one because this is more easy to clean. And I also just realized that I could put some and then take it out and then make some more. And of course you need some glue. I'm using Elmer's glue right here. Here, let me get a stand for this. Yeah, you could see that better now, how I'm working. Okay. So first, put this away. First, where's my glue? There it is. First, what you need to do is take your borax powder, open it up, gotta open that borax powder up. Grab your 1 tablespoon. Just grab your borax, 1 tablespoon of borax. Tablespoon into the smaller one. Remember the smaller one. Put some in that and drop some. Okay, then right after that, add some warm water to here, and then let's just do that right now. Warm water applied. My hands do hurt, but it's time to mix. I don't care which spoon you mix with. I'm just gonna mix with my tablespoon. Why not? And then wait until everything is mixed. Until you can't really see the particle dusts and stuff. And then just, mix it. Yeah, I can't really see anything. So just put this to the side. Just put it to the side so you don't spill it. You don't really need to do that right now. Anything with that. You don't need your borax anymore. Just close that up. Look, it's actually borax. Labeled it borax. Just put this over there. I yeeted it. If you don't know, if you didn't see that. Okay, my borax. Good. Glue. And if you think this is gonna leave a mess on the bowl or anything, it'll just scrape it all off. Okay. Open the borax, the glue out. Sorry, I've said borax so many times. I've become one with the borax. Oh well, put this in the middle of the screen. Dump it all in there. Swear to God, if this doesn't work, imagine I have to clean all this up rather than just scraping it off when it's activated. You know when there's slime and you kind of just leave it on the table and then it sticks on the table and then you just pick it up, Okay. Don't let your glue just sit there. Don't wobble it around like a cement mixer. So it keeps on moving. Cover it. I don't know. How do you preserve glue? Okay, I think the borax is done. Okay. Put one tablespoon of the borax solution, I call it the borax solution, into that. Wait, let me just put this like this because I kind of do need to work a little. No, let me put it on the other side because my right hand's gonna be there. Okay. Yeah, this is way more comfortable. Okay. Borax solution in there. Oh, you could even see it a little mixing. And then just mix with your spoon. It won't look like anything at first, but oh, it's already starting to get thick. Look at that. It's already starting to get thick if you see it. Okay, now that it's... Oh, my spoon getting eaten. No, I cannot. Do not let your spoon get eaten by the borax, by the glue, or soon to be slime. It's already... No. I'm losing it. Oh no, never mind. Oh, did you see that? Yo, okay. That's some progress. Progress, you know? Real progress. And now it's just becoming glue. Now I think I picked some glue up. Okay, put that to the side. So then the parts that are just glue, just put them. You have to do this fast. So then the glue doesn't doesn't get your spoon. Yo, no, that's actually working. I also made some clear slime, but as you know, that did not go as planned. Okay, this is slime. Okay, I put some on this side. Look what happened. Bro, there's no way that's not slime. Look. Now I just have to put it on this side, which is pure glue. Okay, gotta get it with your left hand, Scrape some off so it goes inside. And then cover it up. I don't know, I'm just doing some random stuff. It's already working. It's already working. But I'm just gonna lift this up. And it's just slime. It's just slime. Okay, bro, the edges are already getting thick. Bro, I haven't felt proper slime in such a long time. The only proper slime I have... Here, I'll show you the only proper slime I have. It's this. And it's overactivated. It's supposed to be clear, but it's just brown. It's just not a pleasant look and feeling. It has that overactivated feeling. Okay, just put a bunch of tablespoons now. 1, 2, 3, then 4, and like half a tablespoon in the middle. This is just to speed up the process. Okay, I'll just come back to you if this failed or not. I'll just pause. This will take like several minutes. For you, it'll just be like a click of the finger, So I'll just see you guys in like 15 minutes. Give or take. I'll see. We'll see. Okay, guys, it's been 5 minutes, and just added some borax. Bro, look at that pull. It's just sticking. I'm not gonna touch it yet. I need to clean this counter. There's so much borax. So the borax solution on there. Okay, bro, there's still some glue here. There's still some glue. Like, it's pure slime now. Okay, bro, look how thick that is. Look how thick that is. Oh my god, did that just spin? I was looking at the camera screen. No, that was just the ball. I also got some on my fingers. It's like the slightest amount. You can't even see it on the camera. I mean, you might have seen it, but no, it's still glue. Look, some just got on my fingers. That's glue. It's not. That's glue. Or is that just a? But then it's slime. What the? What kind of sorcery is this? Look, and it's drippy. Okay, I just touched that. Okay, I touched this top part. It's like tough. But this is just glue. Let's add some activator. I need to add the activator on the sides, maybe. On the sides, like right at the edges. Yeah? Am I doing something wrong? Guys, I might be doing something wrong. You could scream at me, but I don't think the comments are gonna be activated. I don't know why, but they just don't activate. Try everything I do on the settings, and it just doesn't activate. Ooh. Just scream at me off the screen. Yep. Okay, bro, I must be doing something wrong. Like, okay, this is slime. But then that isn't slime. Or is it? Oh my god, there's still some activator on the slide. Why won't you mix activator? Did I overactivate it? No, I didn't overactivate it. If it stretches, then I didn't. I have experience with it. Okay, I just found a way of doing this. If I do this, and it's tough, then it's good. But here it's just going in. But here it's like, here's just, look, it's not even touching the bottom here. Here it's, so I'm just gonna add some right here. Maybe that will do something. Slime, can you believe it? I just want to touch it. Okay, look. This is slime. Why can't I touch it? Why am I not allowed to touch it? I need to touch it. Okay, I'll put the slime that I know here. That is slime here. Okay, wait. This is slime. Everything's slime now. Oh, wait. It's sticky. I need to activate it more. Okay, so it's not glue anymore. At least I know that. I just need to activate it a little more. But I need to go wash my hands, like right now. It needs contact with the human skin. Okay, look, it's not glue anymore. It's not glue anymore. It's not glue. At least I know it's not glue. Feel free to skip this video. Like, I know this is gonna be a hot pile of mess. Okay, look. This is what I mean. It's just gonna scrape off. Now, this is how you know it's beginning to become slime. It's even scraping off the bowl right now. But there's still activator in here. Is that glue? No, it's not. Nothing's glue anymore. Why is the activator not helping me? Maybe it's because my hands already had glue. Like this finger never had glue and it's not sticking on it. Okay, I'm just gonna go wash my hands, Okay, guys, I'm back with clean hands. And guess what I just noticed? The spoon is not, sinking. That's a good sign, right? Oh, now it's scraping off. Yo, guys, look. Now it's scraping off. It's scraping off. That's a good sign. It's a very good sign, actually. Bro, I'm so scared. I'm so scared that this is gonna turn into a hot pile of mess. I don't think so. Okay. Now it's the stage where I pick it up. And mix it up with my hands. Oh no. No, it's still sticky. I may need activator on my hands. Can I do that? Is that cheating? I don't think so. I'm gonna put some activator on my hands. Wash my hands with some activator. Know what I mean? This is toxic. And if I don't upload in about a year, I'm probably dead. So don't expect anything from me. Unless you know me personally. Okay, you need to play with it fast right now. Okay, this spoon has got to go, but I can't pick the spoon up because then the handle is gonna get dirty. So I just have to take the slime out without touching the spoon. Okay. Oh, becoming slime. I got the slime. Just mix it up with your hands now. Put this aside. Oh my god, that rhymed. Put that aside too. Come on, slime. Oh my god, my very own slime. It's formed. It's forming. It's already. Oh my god. Feels so nice. Feels so nice and fluffy. It's like a cloud. I haven't felt this pleasure on my fingers since like in elementary school when we made slime. You guys could probably not even hear. You guys probably don't even hear me. Oh my god, it stretches. Oh my god, it stretches. My other slime don't do that. It's too activated. Too much activator. Because on that slime, I did what I did before at home, and that slime worked. So basically, on the other slime, I used Elmer's glue, this white one, not the clear ones. But the clear one I did with that is what I did with the clear one is I put the glue inside the activator. I made a bunch of borax solution. And bro, before I thought activator was just a weird name that everyone used. But then the name was actually activated, and I was like, oh my god, I could have. Bro, I was young back then. I'm still young. Okay, look at this. Okay, now this is slime. This is just, try this out, guys. Wait, what about this? That's dry too. Wait, I need to clean this part out. Nothing should go on this slime. Clean my hands. Oh my god. This is just perfect. Oh, this is not perfect. I just need to mix it a little with my hands. So yeah, guys, make sure you actually do it with your hands. Oh my god. Okay, I'm just gonna mix all this with my hands, and then I'll see you guys after I mix all this with my hands. Guys, okay, look, I mixed everything with my hands. Look at the bowl I just used. Like, I know there's still some slime parts there, but yo, that's sick. Yo, look at this spoon. Just pat it on here. Pat. Look, just magically goes away because the slime sticking. Like this, the only thing the slime sticks on, it's itself. And if it sticks on you, then just use what I just did on the ball on yourself. Oh my god. This feels so heavenly. Heaven probably feels way better than this, but still it feels so good. Bro, you could even use this activator to, you can make more activated to more activate this thing. Where did my activator go? Where did I throw it? I threw it? Okay, so I threw it. Oh well. See you tomorrow. No thumbnail because I'm going to be playing with this all the time.